Hello, this is Vash13.
And Unwiggly too.
And this is my third firework of 2012. Gonna zoom in here a bit so when we run like hell, we don't die.
Am I gonna die?
You may want to start going now though. Other direction. Behind me! You're an idiot. What?
Are we gonna die?
Holy crap!
Hell yeah!
Oh! Zoom out, zoom out! Well, we destroyed the ground. Quite literally.
Let's go set a house fire.
No. And, oh hey, I can use the old cartridge now that I've used once before.
Oh my god.
Hot as crap, and see you in my next video. Toodles!